You want to be ready so you don't have to get ready, okay? It's crazy out here. It's crazy. But you got this. It's a red flag. It's a red flag. Next. Okay. So you want to know the red flags in a guy. This is gonna get you started, okay? I love talking about this because I feel like if you know what to avoid, it's gonna just help you narrow the pool down. Some people don't like it, but I mean, if you're serious about your life and your relationships, you need to recognize the red flags. See them coming and run. Holidays, birthdays. He doesn't do nothing for you. That's a red flag. He doesn't give you a gift, no surprises, no nothing, no flowers. It's a red flag. He needs to put in some type of effort into those days to show that he loves you. He's thinking of you. And if he doesn't like you. Next, if he takes you to the same place every time for your birthday or an event or a holiday like Valentine's Day, it's just the same place, or he's not creative with, the place he's taking you to, he doesn't like you. And that's a red flag. He shouldn't take 50 years to respond to your messages. And if he is going to take that long, he should at least give you an explanation. Either way, a guy will find some type of, if somebody likes you, if you like the guy, you always want to check up on the person. So if this person that you like takes forever to text you back and he doesn't give you a reasoning why, or he just takes forever to text you back all the time, consistently, that's a problem. That's a problem. And actually, it's a red flag. Oh, the exception is if you are in a long distance relationship. I understand the time and everything, but if you guys live in the same state or there's not a time difference, and maybe if you guys both go to the same school too, you guys know each other's schedule. No matter how busy you are, you have walking periods where you're going to the class. So he's able to text you. He can use the bathroom and give you a quick text, or he can just let you know from the jump that, you know what, I'm going to be a little busy today, but I'll give you a call when I can. Oh, another red flag, if he doesn't call you and he's always texting you, I don't care. I don't care with these excuses. If he doesn't give you a call, that's a red flag. If he doesn't want to FaceTime you and see your face, that's a red flag. I said what I said. Ooh. A man who doesn't like to share. If he is stingy, next. We don't have time for stingy people. If this guy is always making jokes that put you down, he doesn't like you. Or he's jealous. Men can be jealous too. So, it's different if someone is kind of like a playful, to make you feel cute, but it's different if he's joking, laughing about how you mispronounce a word, or maybe he's making fun of your accent. He just makes fun of you and puts you down, especially if he does that in front of other people. That's no bueno. That is not good. That is not good at all. It's not good, period. It's not funny. And don't allow a man to make jokes that put you down. No, ma'am. No, ma'am. He doesn't check up on you. That's a red flag. That's a red flag. Why? When you like somebody, you want to know how they're doing. You want to talk to them. You want to see if they're okay. You want to say good morning to them. You want to say good night to them. You want to be the one to text them first. You want to have conversations with them. You want to get to know them on a deeper level. And if he's not doing that, he doesn't like you. He doesn't. If he doesn't take time out of his day for you to plan dates or take you out to eat, take you to watch the movies, it doesn't even have to be anything grand. It just has to be something. He just wants to be there with you. If he's always trying to have you come over, or he's coming over and you guys are always hanging out at home, that's a red flag. That's a red flag. You don't know how to take me on a date. You don't know how to take me somewhere. Why do you always want to be at home, Netflix and chilling? No, no ma'am. No ma'am. That's a red flag. These are just a few red flags. If you want a part 2, let me know. I want you to have standards. I want you to take care of yourself. It's okay to have crushes. It's okay to just be a lover girl. But it's very important that you are still aware of what is going on around you. Your brain is open. Like, your heart can be open, but your brain, this thing in your head has to also be open too. Yeah, because you don't want to have a guy waste your time. You don't want to have a guy hurt you. And you don't want to just be in a situation where, like, you're stuck. You have to be very careful. Some people have good examples at home, and so they know that, like, oh, this is how a guy should treat more. But if you don't have a good example, this is what I've seen and what I've experienced. It's very important, especially if you're gonna start dating, or even if you're not ready to be going on dates and stuff. Have these things in mind, because you never know. A guy may just come up and try talking to you, and that's okay, but you're gonna be watching out for these red flags. You want to be ready so you don't have to get ready, okay? It's crazy out here. It's crazy. But you got this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have an amazing day. If you want to see more of this content, see my next video, see my last video. I love you. Bye. Mwah.